Hello, my name is Darika Isakova on InstaForex TV with the fresh Forex news. As the last IMF reserves report showed, the central banks are still trying to diversify reserves in favor of the dollar, not taking the euro and the Japanese yen as an attractive alternative and preferring smaller currencies, according to Barclays Capital. This is not a very positive result for the American currency. However, it is not too negative. The reserves accumulation pace was high in the third quarter as well as in the previous one, and the dollar's share rose moderately, while the euro and yen shares reduced. The share of British pound and other category currencies also increased. Barclays Bank considers that the Swedish krona and the Australian dollar are the currencies to build up the reserves. Besides, the bank specialists think that the euro-dollar pair may continue rising the next week, obtaining support from the investors' risk inclination amid steady growth at the stock markets. At present, the pair has just neutralized the previous session losses, but the US dollar can fall under more serious correction in January, as it was after its upturn at the end of 2006 and 2007. On the other hand, the fundamental data of the European Union was not encouraging. In such a way, the French public debt advanced by 2.1% in the third quarter compared to the second one and reached about 76% of the GDP. It was reported on Wednesday by the French National Institute for Statistics (INSEE). The state debt of France amounted to 1.46 trillion euro in the third quarter, higher by 29.4 billion euro than in the second quarter, when the country's public debt stood at 74% of the GDP. In addition, the money supply dynamics in the Eurozone was negative in November, as the indicator moved down by 0.2% compared to the same period of the preceding year. It was stated in the report released by the European Central Bank. In accordance with Conference Board Research Group, the Eurozone economic revival remains rather weak to regulate the employment and the current economic conditions. The composite leading indicators index of the Eurozone leveled up by 0.7% in November to 101.7 after boosting by 0.6% in October and by 0.9% in September. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.